Welcome back, coffee lovers. In today's video, we're diving into the world of coffee hacks. But not just any hacks. We'll be focusing on maximizing the health benefits of your favorite brew. That's right, we're going to spill the beans on how to make your cup of joe even healthier. So grab your mugs and let's get started. Here are some fantastic coffee hacks that will not only enhance the flavor, but also boost the health benefits of your coffee. So let's jump right in. The first tip is all about selecting the right beans for a healthier coffee experience. Opt for organic, single-origin beans whenever possible. These beans are grown without the use of synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, ensuring that you're sipping on a more natural cup of coffee. There are several reputable sources where you can find organic, single-origin coffee beans. Here are a few popular options. 1. Local coffee roasters. Check out local coffee roasters in your area. They often have a selection of organic, single-origin beans sourced from specific regions or farms. Visit their shops or websites to explore their offerings. 2. Specialty coffee shops. Specialty coffee shops are known for their focus on quality and unique coffee offerings. Many of them carry organic, single-origin beans. Strike up a conversation with the baristas and ask about their organic options. 3. Online retailers. There are numerous online retailers that specialize in selling high-quality coffee beans. Some notable ones include Counterculture Coffee. They offer a wide range of organic, single-origin coffees sourced directly from farmers around the world. Blue Bottle Coffee. Blue Bottle Coffee is known for its commitment to quality and sustainability. They have a variety of organic options available. Driftaway. This subscription-based service offers personalized coffee subscriptions, including organic single-origin beans. Thrive Market. Thrive Market is an online marketplace that focuses on organic and sustainably sourced products. They have a selection of organic coffee beans available. Remember to read reviews, check their sourcing practices, and choose a supplier that aligns with your preferences and values. Additionally, consider supporting local businesses and fair trade initiatives whenever possible. Also, consider choosing beans that are high in antioxidants, like Arabica beans. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So be sure to check the label or ask your local coffee shop for the best antioxidant-rich options. Now that we have the perfect beans, let's talk about brewing methods. Did you know that the brewing process itself can affect the health benefits of your coffee? Let's explore a couple of brewing hacks. One popular method is the pour-over brewing technique. It allows for better extraction of the coffee's flavor compounds and oils, which can contribute to a healthier cup. The slow pour-over process also helps filter out more of the potentially harmful substances found in coffee. Another excellent brewing method is the French press. It keeps the coffee oils intact, which can have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, using a metal filter instead of paper filters can allow some beneficial compounds to pass through. Moving on to our next hack, additives that can boost the health benefits of your coffee. Here are a few ideas to try. Cinnamon, for example, not only adds a delightful flavor, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels. You can sprinkle a pinch into your coffee grounds before brewing. Another great option is adding a dash of cocoa powder, which contains antioxidants and can give your coffee a subtle chocolatey taste. Lastly, consider using plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk or oat milk instead of regular dairy. These options are lower in saturated fat and can be easier on your digestion. And there you have it, coffee hacks to maximize the health benefits of your brew. Remember, it all starts with choosing the right beans, perfecting your brewing method, and experimenting with healthy additives. By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can enjoy your favorite cup of coffee while giving your body an extra health boost. If you found these hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-related content. And as always, let us know in the comments if you have any other coffee hacks or questions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay caffeinated and healthy.